Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by fitting the commander sight and assigning its hotkey. This unlocks independent vision. Once done, toggle the sight and use binocular magnification. 3x or 4x is a solid default because higher zoom narrows your field. Make sure to brief your crew. Stabilize and man the sight before moving. You use the commander to spot enemies while the gunner focuses forward. So position the tank behind cover and practice switching quickly to avoid exposing the hull. Once engaged, bring the commander sight up to scan and mark targets. Marking helps teammates and reduces friendly fire. Hold steady and compensate for vehicle sway. Small corrections prevent missed shots. While scanning, keep the gunner aimed at likely engagement points so you can swap views and fire within 1 second. Practice the transition rhythm. Spot with the commander, call the shot, then coordinate with the gunner. This reduces exposure time and increases hit probability. To finish, align the target in the sight, confirm range and aim point, then fire when stable. Rushed shots often miss. After shooting, pull back to cover and reindex the sight to avoid tracking errors. If the commander sight desynchronizes or stops responding, reset the sight key or reassign the hotkey, then cycle binocular magnification once. This clears most input issues. If problems persist, respawn in a test match to verify module function and practice the entire sequence again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.